Welcome back. We will talk about pagination in Liquid. So the paginate tag is a built-in feature in Liquid templates that lets you split up a large collection of items like product, articles, or posts across multiple pages. Instead of showing everything at once, you can show, let's say, 5 to 10 items per page. Why is to use pagination? It improves performance. Okay, don't need to load 100 products at once to enhance your UX, to support SEO, and to organize large collections. So this is the syntax. As you can see, we writing the paginate keyword, and we need to end it with the end paginate, and we must have the for loop inside the paginate because anyway we are iterating through an array. So let's copy this one. You can pause the video to copy this code. Now we save it. So we have, let me change this div to h4, let's say. We are looping and in the same time paginating this. As you can see, we have 6 items here. And let's say I want to paginate it by 2. So I'm going to use the keyword by and then the number that I want to paginate with. And I'll save it. And we're going to have the only 2 products here. So every time that you're creating a paginate loop like this or iteration, you have access to the paginate loop, just like we had in the for loop, okay? And you can go here on Shopify.dev, you go to create a theme using Liquid, and then you go to Liquid here, view the Liquid reference, and you go to tags, and you go to iteration, and then you have paginate, and then you click on paginate object right here. So you can use either the default paginate filter, okay, to have a default navigation, or using the access paginate loop, you can access all these properties to build some complex navigation menu. All right, so in my case, I'm going to use this default pagination. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and just below here, I'm going to write paginate, the keyword, just like on top there. And we're going to use a pipe and we're going to say default pagination. And if I save it, we're going to have this navigation like that here. If I go back, I open it like this, and if I click on next, we can see the other 2 elements. If I go again, we can see the other 2 last elements. All right, perfect. So what you need to also understand is the paginate takes also params, just like for loop. So this params is called the window size, okay, and is the number of the page that should be visible in the pagination navigation. Okay, so the syntax is like this, just like close to the by here, you can just write window size colon and give it a number. I think here should be here a comma. Okay, so if I save it and watch this navigation here, if I save it, nothing gonna change. Actually, something's gonna change because we have now this ... If I remove it, let me remove it. It's counting like normally. It's counting like 1, 2, 3. So if I add this Windows param, now it's counting like with some ... So 1, 3. So let's try 2. Okay. So it's gonna count 1 and 2 because we have like less pagination here. Let's say I want to paginate from 1, just 1 product per page. Okay, as you can see, we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, ... 6. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for the paginate. On the next video, we will talk about the table row. It's still iteration. So I see you on the next one.